In today's fiercely competitive markets, businesses are seeking ways to forge stronger connections with consumers. Introducing the Eviden Connected Consumer Products Platform, your smart IoT solution connecting B2C products such as vending machines, coolers, coffee machines, freezers, and home appliances. It's designed to be your gateway to operational excellence, higher profitability, and deeper consumer intimacy. Our solution automates asset management, delivers real-time insights into critical performance metrics, and ensures uninterrupted operations and product excellence. Seamless integration with ERP systems further enhances efficiency by streamlining workflows and task management. Tailored to enhance sales and efficiency, it enables cashless transactions and instant reporting capabilities, effectively minimizing stockouts, optimizing planogram adherence, and proactively managing inventory. From timely replenishments to intelligent ordering and strategic asset placement, it enables new revenue streams, propelling your business to new heights. But engagement doesn't stop at operations. It's about creating lasting connections with consumers. Our platform facilitates interactions through digital platforms, intuitive apps, and voice-enabled assistants. With profound insights into consumer behavior and preferences, meaningful social media interactions, and real-time promotions, you can elevate the consumer experience, nurturing loyalty and advocacy. Elevate your business with the Eviden Connected Consumer Products Platform. Learn more at eviden.com.